Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add people to your household on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon Shopping app on your device. And then here you can press profile icon at the bottom. Okay, after that click on your account option. After that scroll down. And then select manage your household. And then here you can read the condition before adding people to your household. After that select one of the three options here. And then enter their name and email address. Okay, and then click continue. And then click agree and continue. And then press continue, or you can select what you like to share with them. Okay, and then click send invite. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add people to your household on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.